I am Mike Weber, and this is why Power Home. It's very rewarding to work for Power Home. I put my all into this company, and they put their all into me. I'm very amazed with the growth I've seen in myself. I took a chance starting with Power Home, and I left a good position behind that I was holding before Power Home. And but honestly, it was the best decision I made. I saw an opportunity here. I worked hard, and the owners and my managers saw that, and I was promoted very quickly. I was an installer for a week before I was promoted to a crew lead. From there, I had actually 5 promotions since. Installer, crew lead, project manager, national trainer, and from national trainer, I went to assistant director of production. After my first promotion, that gave me the drive I needed to get to where I am today. There was 2 install crews when I started, and now there are dozens, and I feel honored to help lead them today. I am Mike Weber, and this is why Power Home.